Yeah, but he had to give her up. She never acknowledged the rubber plant he sent her. Hey, listen to this. My dear Lola, ever since I saw your latest picture, I cannot live without you.
Farewell, fellas. A simple service'll do.
Drop that rock, bird brain, and that's an order.
Okay.
What are you, some kind of a dimwit or something? Get that boulder off my bunion, quick!
Sorry, TC. I wasn't looking.
Eesh!
There. Does that feel better?
Does that feel better? Oh, boy. No, you nitwit. I like rocks resting on my big toe. Another stupid question like that and you won't have to jump. I'll throw you in.